Southwest 2243, runway 16 left, first takeoff.
Perfect, takeoff 16 left, South 2243.
And welcome back to Seattle Virtual Air Traffic Control. My name is Chris, and today I'll be teaching you how to do some advanced operations with TeamSpeak. If you haven't already, please check out our first quick start video, where we show you how to get set up with TeamSpeak and view the basic operations. We're going into this video assuming you know all that already, and we can just jump right in. This video is subdivided into different parts. If you want to skip ahead to a certain part, you can do so with the timeline down below, or you can keep watching and we'll go through each part individually. So the first thing we can do is set up your bookmarks. Usually how you connect to Seattle Virtual is by going to Connections, Connect, or hitting Control S, typing in our address, your nickname, and hitting Connect. But there's a much easier way to do that too. Let's go ahead and disconnect, and what we can do is go up to Bookmarks and Manage Bookmarks. I'll bring up this window here, where we can go to Add Bookmark. You can type in the name of the server you want to connect to. This will be the nickname that it gives you on TeamSpeak, your nickname, and I'll put in what I normally put in, and the server address, which is ts.seattlevirtualatc.org. You can put in a password or a channel if you need to, but we can just go ahead and hit OK, and now it's made the bookmark. So if we go up to Bookmarks, SvATC is right there, and with 2 little clicks, we're already connected. If you're already connected on another server, something you can do is go to Bookmarks, right-click on this, and go to Connect in New tab, and now you have it open a second time. Now if we ever have any downloads we need to get out to everybody, they'll most likely be in our Downloads channel. The way you can access that is by right-clicking on Downloads and going to Open File Browser, and this will bring up a window that will show you everything that we have stored in the Downloads channel. So for example, you can go to Miscellaneous, SvATC logo, and go to File Images, and right here we have some of the SvATC logos that you can download, the various different file formats and sizes. One handy feature you can also do is mute your microphone. That way if you ever hold down your push-to-talk button, it won't activate, but you can still hear the noise coming out of the channel. If you click on the Mute Speakers button, it'll mute both your speakers and your microphone, so you can't talk, but you also can't hear everybody else. However, if you're going to be away from your computer for a long time, we just suggest you jump into the AFK channel. In this channel, nobody talks at all, so you don't have to mute your speakers, and you'll never hear anything coming out of this channel. People also know when you're in this channel, you're away from your keyboard, and they won't try to disturb you. One really great way to talk between people without having anyone else in the server here is Whisper Lists. If we go to Tools, Options, and Whisper, we can go to Whisper Lists, and we'll bring up this window that'll show you who's on your Whisper List. Whisper Lists are great for private communication between people, but also may be good for coordination between different air traffic controllers and different channels. We can just go to New, and we'll ask for a hotkey combination. I'm going to use my right control. So now my hotkey for this Whisper is right control. I go to SvATC Clients, I can bring up Ben E and put him in there. And now when I hit OK, I now have Ben on this Whisper List with my right control. So now if I hold down Control, you can see a little red dot shows up next to Ben, showing that I'm whispering straight to him, and my dot turns red, showing that I'm whispering. And likewise, Ben can whisper back to me, and when he does, I hear a little whisper notification sound come through to let me know I'm being whispered to.
Hi, hello.
And you see Ben's dot turns red when he's whispering back to me, and I hear a little psst whenever someone tries to whisper.
How you doing?
Another handy feature is the reply hotkey. I'm going to set that to right control, which will overlap, but that's fine. What I'm going to do now is remove that Whisper List. Now I have nobody on my Whisper List at all. The only thing I have set is my reply hotkey, which is right control. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and you notice if I hold down Control, which I am doing, it doesn't want to whisper to anybody. And that's because that Whisper List has been deleted. But what I can do is if somebody whispers back to me, I can reply using the Control button.
Testing! How's it going, Chris?
And now if I hold down Control, it replies to the last person who whispered to me without setting up a Whisper List. It's going great, Ben. How are you?
I'm just living life here.
We hope this information has been helpful. As always, you can feel free to go back to any part of the video and review what might have been confusing. And you can always send us an email at info@seattlevirtualatc.org. Thanks for watching.